My name is Asha and welcome back to Ramadan in my kitchen. Before we get started, I'd like to wish everyone a blessed Ramadan Kareem. May this month bring bountiful of blessings to you and your family. I know this year Ramadan is different, not just in Singapore but for all of us all over the world. We are currently living in very exceptional times, and as you know, our mosques are closed, meaning that there's no tarawih in the mosque. We can't visit our elders. So for me, I live on my own. My mom doesn't live with me, and I guess that's the part where I miss the most. Her embrace, her food definitely, and doing tarawih with her. But it's okay. We have to work together as a community. We have to make do with what we have. We also have to remain positive and focused. This is, after all, a beautiful month that only happens once a year. So let's not lose focus and continue to seek and create beauty and blessings around you in this month. And remember to spread it in any way that you can to those around you. Okay, so for today's recipe, we will be making a very simple drink. This drink is actually inspired by the drink at a previous year's Ramadan bazaar that I had. So as we know, even the bazaar is closed, and I know that many of us are missing our ayam percik, our otak-otak, our dendeng, and many more. Thinking about it, it's just making me salivating. So I hope this simple drink recipe will bring that bazaar spirit into your home. Okay, so I'm going to introduce to you the ingredients that we need. This recipe, I name it Lychee Soda Gembira, which basically means happy lychee soda. So the first thing you need is actually a bottle of ice cream soda. You can use any brand, but it has to be ice cream soda. And then the next thing you need is a can of lychees. So what I did was I drained out the water and separate the sugar syrup, and separated it. So these are the lychees, as you can see. Okay, and this is the sugar syrup. So the reason why I separate it and I don't throw it away just yet is because later on at the end, just before we serve, I usually like to add a little bit of syrup, but we'll get back to that later. So other than that, what we need is 2 lemongrass, 1 lemon. Okay, this one, it's called asam. Yeah, it's like a sour sweet that is very well known in Asia. You can get this at like the provision shop or at your local supermarket. And the last thing we need would be mint leaves. So judging from the ingredients that we have, you would know that this drink is sweet, refreshing with the mint and the lemon, and very and with the herbs as well. So it's a very unique taste. So let's get started. So the first thing you do is you pour the ice cream soda. Okay. I choose ice cream soda because it has a very creamy vanilla flavor, which blends very well with the rest of the ingredients. So even if you don't have lychees, you can use longans as well. And next thing we do is we're going to put in the lychees. So if you're serving this in a large group, and you can actually half your lychees as well, no problem. And then next thing we do is we're going to slice our lemon. Now you have like the creamy taste from the soda, And now you're gonna have the zesty taste from the lemon as well. So a little trick that I like to do is to squeeze it a little bit before putting it inside, just so that the lemon juice really gets infused with the soda. Okay, and the next thing we do is we add the mint leaves. You may also add the whole stalk in, but I prefer to pluck the leaves just so that it's easier to drink. And this is also a great drink to get the kids to help. I would imagine, like, especially kids who are going through like their first Ramadan, they'll be really enthusiastic in helping you guys in helping parents in the kitchen as well. So now I'm going to cut the lemongrass, okay? And you want to slightly bruise it a little bit. So I use the back of my knife just so that you can get the flavor and the beautiful scent out. Okay, pop it in as well. Okay, and lastly, you put in your asam. I like to use a chopstick for this. Stir to just get the flavors in. Now, remember the sugar water or the sugar syrup. What you like to do is actually pour. Usually I pour about half, just to get the extra lychee flavor in. So there you have it. Can you see? Okay. And to serve, get a glass. Pour that soda in. And the lychees usually sit at the bottom. So you want to take a long spoon and pop some lychees. Remember, yeah? Not to taste it before iftar itself, because I always do that and then I go, astaghfirullah, it's not iftar yet. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Try them and let me know how it is, and I'll see you in my next episode. Bye!